Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will read a short story together. After that, we will learn the vocabularies and go through the main idea of the story. We will recite part of the story at the last section. Let's begin.
The Man, the Boy, and the Donkey. A man and his son were once going with their donkey to market. As they were walking along by its side, a country man passed them and said, "You fools, what is a donkey for but to ride upon?" So the man put the boy on the donkey and they went on their way. But soon they passed a group of men, one of whom said, "See that lazy youngster, he lets his father walk while he rides." So the man ordered his boy to get off and got on himself. But they hadn't gone far when they passed two women, one of whom said to the other, "Shame on that lazy lout to let his poor little son trudge along." Well, the man didn't know what to do, but at last he took his boy up before him on the donkey. By this time, they had come to the town, and the passers-by began to jeer and point at him. The man stopped and asked what they were scoffing at. The men said, "Aren't you ashamed of yourself for overloading that poor donkey of yours and your hulking son?" The man and boy got off and tried to think what to do. They thought and they thought, till at last they cut down a pole, tied the donkey's feet to it, and raised the pole and the donkey to their shoulders. They went along amid the laughter of all who met them till they came to Market Bridge, when the donkey, getting one of his feet loose, kicked out and caused the boy to drop his end of the pole. In the struggle, the donkey fell over the bridge, and his 4 feet being tied together, he was drowned. "That will teach you," said an old man who had followed them. "Please all, and you will please none."
Learn the vocabulary. Struggle. Struggle means a forceful or violent effort to get free of restraint or resist attack. Villagers. Villagers are people who live in a village, a small community in a rural area. Jeer. Make rude and mocking remarks, typically in a loud voice. Example: some of the younger men jeered at him. Overload. Overload means load with too great a burden or cargo. Example: both boats were overloaded and low in the water. Hulking. Hulking of a person or object, very large, heavy, or clumsy. Example: a hulking young man. Lazy lout. Lazy lout is an awkward, stupid person, clumsy, ill-mannered. Example: get out of the bed, you lazy lout. Trudge along. Trudge along means to walk or march steadily and usually laboriously. Example: I am trudging along through the snow. Displease. Displease means to cause someone to feel unhappy or dissatisfied. Example: the tone of the letter displeased her. Scoffing at. Scoffing at means laughing and talk about a person or idea in a way that shows you think they are stupid or silly. Example: scoffed at their concerns. Passers-by. Passers-by means a person who happens to be going past something, especially on foot. Example: the raiders fled when disturbed by passers-by. What have we learned from the story? This is the story is about. First point: the man, the boy, and the donkey went for a walk. The second point: the villagers ridiculed the man and the boy for not riding on the donkey. The third point: attempting to please everyone, the man adapted his actions. The fourth point: the man customized his approach based on the villagers' opinions. The fifth point: in the end, the man and the boy were still unable to please everyone, which displeased them. Repeat after me. I will read first, please read after me. They went along amid the laughter of all who met them till they came to Market Bridge. They went along amid the laughter of all who met them till they came to Market Bridge. They went along amid the laughter of all who met them till they came to Market Bridge. When the donkey, getting one of his feet loose, kicked out and caused the boy to drop his end of the pole. When the donkey, getting one of his feet loose, kicked out and caused the boy to drop his end of the pole. When the donkey, getting one of his feet loose, kicked out and caused the boy to drop his end of the pole.